Look at that question. It's a 2000 score question in the EAMSAT exam. They said, which is the best of the following polynomial approximations to cosine 2x near x equal to 0? Now, to find the best polynomial approximation of cosine 2x near x equal to 0, we need to use Taylor series expansion. Now, Taylor series expansion for cosine 2x is cosine 2x is equal to sigma from n equal to 0 till infinity for minus 1 to the power n of 2x to the power 2n over 2n all factorial. I hope it's not difficult for you. Now, computing the first few terms of this series, we can replace n equals 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Let's compute some terms. Now, if you compute the first term, let's put n equal to 0. So you will get equal. We can compute here, so you get minus 1 to the power 0 into 2x to the power 2 times 0, which is 0, over 2n, which is 2 times 0 factorial. Minus 1 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now, 2x to the power 0 is equal to 1 over 2 times 0, which is 0, 0 factorial, which is 1. So you get 1 over 1, which is 1. So now the first term is 1. Now, the second term, minus 1 to the power of 1 multiplied by 2x to the power of 2 times 1, which is 2, over 2 times 1, which is 2 factorial. So minus 1 to the power 1, which is minus 1, so you get minus. Now 2x squared, 2 squared 4, x squared over 2 factorial, which is 2, so you get 4 over 2. So let's write here 4 over 2, which is 2, you get 2x squared. Now, minus 1 to the power of 2, so minus 1 to the power of 2 into 2x to the power 2 times 2, which is 4, over 2 times 2, 4, you get 4 factorial. Now, minus 1 squared, which is 1, so you get plus 2x to the power 4, so you get 2x all to the power 4 over 4 factorial. We can leave it, and I'll tell you why do we ignore these in a bit. Also, we can compute the next one, so you'll get minus, put n equal to 3, you get minus, let's make a space here. Now, minus 1 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2x to the power 2 times 3, which is 6, over 2 times 3, which is 6 factorial. So minus 1 cube is minus, so here we have minus. 2x to the power 6, you get 2x to the power 6 over 6 factorial. So you can simplify that, and here we have plus and so on. You can simplify it if you want, but generally speaking, because we want the best polynomial approximation near x equal to 0, so we only use the terms up to x to the power of 2, because higher order terms will be negligible for small values of x. So the best approximation for the cosine to x near x equal to 0 is cosine 2x is approximately 1 minus 2x squared. We stop here. And this is called the second degree polynomial approximation. You like it? Great. Now, if you need more 1400 plus questions, keep following me and don't forget to like and share. And welcome to Math for Fun, and bye for now.